History of eagles in Hardin County, Iowa.
When the first permanent settlers, the Kidweiler family and Ben Talbot, came to Hardin County in 1851, eagles and eagle nests were still to be found in the county, hence the name and town of Eagle City. Due to a number of factors, first and foremost the deforestation of the land for tillable crops and unregulated hunting, the local eagle population was reduced. With the use of certain pesticides such as DDT in the 1940s, the bald eagle became endangered and was only rarely seen in the state of Iowa. With the banning of DDT in 1972 and strengthened regulations to protect the species, eagles began to make a comeback. The first eagle nest in over 70 years was discovered in Iowa in 1977. Eagles are currently found in 86 of Iowa's 99 counties, with 262 active territories in Iowa as described by the DNR. Allow eagles lots of space, particularly when nesting. Observe them through the use of blinds. It is against federal laws to harm eagles or to possess eagle parts or feathers unless you are a Native American. There are severe penalties for violation of federal laws. During the winter, bald eagles are under pressure to consume enough food and expend as little energy as possible in order to maintain body heat. If fishermen, bird watchers, or boaters get too close to the eagles, the birds will waste valuable energy flying away. It exposes them to undue stress and could cause abandonment of a site. To avoid disturbing eagles, do not get any closer than 400 yards from a perched eagle. When possible, stay in your vehicle, use a blind, or stand behind stationary objects when viewing eagles. Stay on the opposite side of the river or lake to allow them a peaceful refuge. Since over 70% of the eagle's feeding occurs during the early morning, avoid visiting areas that eagles rely on for food before 9 a.m. If you find a dead or injured eagle, call the local conservation officer, biologist, or the DNR Wildlife Diversity Program. Bald eagles are protected by several federal laws, with fines of over $20,000 for harassing, killing, or wounding an eagle. If you see a bald eagle in Iowa between April and August, please report this to the local biologist or wildlife diversity staff. A bald eagle seen during these months may be nesting nearby, and it is important to document any potential nest sites. But remember, eagles are very sensitive to disturbances when nesting and raising young, so remain at least 1/4 mile from the nest. The eagle became the national bird in 1782. In the 1940s, the use of DDT began. In 1962, Rachel Carson wrote her famous book, Silent Spring. In 1963, eagles became an endangered species. In 1972, DDT was banned. In 1977, the first eagle nest in Iowa in over 70 years was seen. It was the first since 1907. In 1995, eagles were in tremendous recovery. In 2007, eagles were no longer an endangered species. In 2021, eagles were in 86 of Iowa's 99 counties. Also in 2021, 262 active eagle territories were found in Iowa. It is against federal law with severe penalties to harass or harm eagles in any way or to possess eagle parts or feathers.